Look at these people, people smoking. Kids do not smoke, especially not inside. Good morning. I just wake up today with this typical classy, cloudy British weather, but we're just gonna roll and just make a video, but it's fine. A lot of people think that ideas are just something that you have like momentarily. You have this, smart moment where you have like your idea and that's it. But in reality, I have learned during the past year that ideas, especially business ideas, are more like a process, like exponential growth that you have within that idea, especially when you talk about business. I mean, it's a model, it's not just a simple idea, you have to construct and develop a lot around that business idea. My point is that a lot of people is really romantic about their first initial idea or initial thought, and they think that that's it. You one day wake up and have this magnific idea that's gonna change your life on the step. In reality, it's not how it works. If you look back and you see how a lot like successful entrepreneurs, like for example Evan Williams, the co-founder of Twitter, one of the co-founders. At the beginning, he didn't thought that Twitter will be what it is now, and that's why, for example, now he's doing Medium, another thing, and that's because ideas evolve, and that's something that we have experienced ourselves. I remember last year before, when we applied to the scholarship, last year, as some people might know, we won an enterprise scholarship, and you have to apply for those things. At the beginning, it was curious because most of the questions in that application wasn't about the idea itself. There were 5 questions, and 4 of them, they were about us. They were about the individual. They were about how much potential do we have as possible entrepreneurs, So, and that was really interesting because we were asking, okay, where do we sell? Where do you communicate our idea? And the last question, you just speak a little bit about it. So they didn't get that much about what you want to do after you got the scholarship. They wanted to know you, and that's why most of the people are wrong when they think, I have to have this brilliant idea. I need to have a solid idea. But if you have it, it's better, obviously, But there is other thing that are more important. One thing is, the execution, and that's why, depending on your skills and your ability to implement that idea, it's gonna make a difference on how successful that business idea will be, That's why the people behind the idea is more important than the idea itself. My learning outcome about business idea, and one of the important things I have learned this past year, is that investor invests in people and not in ideas, or not just in ideas. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and like. It's very important. And remember, on Wednesday we'll have another video. New video Wednesday. Yeah. I will talk about something very interesting. Exactly, it will be amazing. Stay tuned. Yeah, that's it. So thank you guys. Bye.